Hi everyone! My name is Ononya, and today I'm going to talk about how to speak English easily and confidently, even if you're a beginner. You know what? When I started learning English, I was also very shy. I understood everything, but I couldn't speak. I was afraid of making mistakes, and I thought people would laugh at me. But then I realized something very important. If you want to speak English, you have to think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Just speak whatever comes to your mind in simple English. Start small. Every morning, talk to yourself in English. Say simple sentences like, I am brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm getting ready for work. I'm going to meet my friend. These small sentences make a big difference. You'll slowly start feeling more confident. Next, listen and repeat. Watch short English clips, reels, or movies. Listen carefully and repeat what they say. This helps you learn the right pronunciation and natural tone. Also, find a mirror and talk to yourself for 2 minutes every day. This is my favorite trick. It helps you improve your fluency and body language too. And most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Nobody speaks perfect English from day one. Everyone learns with time. So from today, promise yourself, I will speak English every single day, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Because practice makes progress, not perfection, but progress. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Speak with confidence, smile, and keep learning. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more daily English practice lessons. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you so much for watching.